Hey everyone, it's Cassidy from Sixty-OneTen. Today we're showing you 3 pieces of tech to up your video production game, whether you're a seasoned or a new videographer. So come along with us.
First up, you'll want to invest in a quality camera. DSLR cameras like the Canon Mark IV are great for video work because they let you control more aspects of your video. You're able to get your subject in focus while leaving the background blurred for that professional look, and you can fit different lenses for ultimate creative power. This one comes in at about $3,300, making it a good midpoint camera. If you're looking to shoot dynamic motion shots, a gimbal is your best friend. We have the DJI Ronin S, which has since been upgraded to the RS2 to include full color touchscreen. A quality gimbal offers stabilization to up the production quality of your work. The RS2 comes in at about $700, but can be upgraded for $150, so you can get your hands on some accessories as well. Next up, lighting. Unless you're shooting outside on a cloudy day, you're probably going to want to put some light on the subject. For on-the-go lighting, we recommend an Aperture f7 light. It lets you adjust temperature and intensity and clips right onto your DSLR. The light comes in at about $130 and is perfect for those looking to build onto their videography toolkit. And finally, audio. Boom mics and handhelds are great, but they can be pricey. If you're looking for a cheap but quality option, the Comica CVM we have right here is amazing. It connects directly to the audio jack of your DSLR camera and is compatible with smartphones as well. And there you have it, our 4 recommendations for taking your video work to the next level. We hope you found these tips useful, and make sure you follow us on our social media to let us know if you have any questions or if you want to share your tech recommendations with us.